Hello educators. Do you want to teach online? Are you an independent teacher and don't have any experience of teaching online? Or do you own a coaching institute and finds it difficult to manage all the things together? Also, do you want to expand your reach by taking your institute online? You have interactive learning materials for your learners, but not sure how to sell all these online? It can be difficult for you to create your own white-labeled website and branded apps. Are you getting frustrated in search of all these features and unable to find any solution after investing so much time and money? What if we tell that you can sell your courses and mock tests online using your own website or apps? Along with video lectures, you can also upload ebooks for your learners. Student can access your content from any device like Android phone, iOS, iPhone, MacBook, desktop, laptop, iPad, tablets, and so on. Don't worry. We are here to help you out. With us, you will get your own website and branded apps. Get a no revenue sharing platform. Use EduGyaan and forget about sharing any kind of profit percentage. Sell courses online without worrying about content security. We come up with a fully secured and encrypted cloud-based storage. Add unlimited users and assign roles to them accordingly. So, what are you waiting for? Stop searching different tools to take your teaching institute online. Stop thinking and start teaching online today with EduGyaan. Contact us to know more. Or you can simply schedule your free demo today.